KitchenAid's Pure Power Blender delivers the power and the control we know our makers are after in a blender. The power is delivered with the 1700 watt peak motor that will pulverize even the toughest of ingredients and crush ice into snow in seconds. The control comes from the precision control knob. Consumers can choose from 10 variable speeds or a pulse with a simple twist of the knob, making it easy to find the exact setting for the perfect blend from a chunky dip to a super smooth smoothie. The Pure Power Blender offers 3 preset functions: a smoothie function, a crush ice function, and a cleaning function. The Pure Power Blender has a large, versatile, hot and cold 2-litre capacity jug. The jug features our asymmetric blades that blend on 4 different blending angles to pull the ingredients into the center of the blades to power through even the toughest of ingredients. The suction lid with a heat-resistant vent means hot liquids like soups and sauces can be blended without any splatters. The Pure Power Blender is available in 4 colours: matte black, matte charcoal grey, empire red, and beautiful porcelain white.